You can find the free knitting pattern to make these slippers at queenbee.com. With the right side of the slipper facing you, pick up the first stitch in the line that runs along the garter stitch sole. You'll notice that there are twisted stitches along the edge. You pick up the stitch below this twist. Simply insert the needle and pull up a loop. Each loop is 1 stitch. Pull up loops until you have picked up the correct number of stitches. When you get to the end, pick up a stitch in the line that runs along the other side of the sole. Double check to make sure you have the correct number of stitches picked up for the size you're making. Go to queenbee.com for the free pattern.